wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best gifts for teen boys. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Force One Blue Jay drone features altitude hold, customized routing, and one-touch takeoff and landing, which makes it a great beginner's model. It's compatible with most virtual reality headsets for first-person view piloting, and the camera takes high-quality photos. It offers a 320-foot flight range and is controllable via a smartphone app. However, it needs frequent recharging. At number 9, the Atomic Gladiator foosball table can help to tear kids away from their screens while providing an opportunity for friendly competition. Its sturdy steel rods are attached to solid wooden handles to stand up to the most rambunctious of players. It comes with an abacus-style scoring system and cup holders on both ends, but assembly can take a long time. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the rotibox Bluetooth beanie is well suited for any young hipster, as it'll keep his or her head warm while it plays music during skateboarding, skiing, hiking, and more. It's made of machine washable soft acrylic and is easy to pair with a cell phone or a tablet. It includes a built-in rechargeable battery and one size fits most. However, the control buttons aren't very discreet. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gifts for teen boys, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the sawtooth electric guitar features a high-quality, durable basswood body and a comfortable C-shaped maple neck. It comes with an amplifier, a gig bag, a clip-on tuner, a stand, and access to online lessons, all of which make this the perfect package for beginners. There are 8 colors to choose from, and it also includes 15 picks, but the strap is a little narrow. Moving up our list to number 6. Made for the serious gamer, the sleek HyperX Cloud Alpha deliver an excellent audio performance with convenient inline controls. In addition to a durable aluminum frame, they offer a noise-cancelling microphone, a tangle-free braided cable, and memory foam ear cushions. They produce little to no distortion and are compatible with multiple platforms. However, they are too heavy for some. Halfway up our list at number 5, the inclined casters and pivoting deck of the Razor ripstik make for a fun carving motion that brings you the thrill of surfing and snowboarding while on dry land. It can support riders of up to 220 pounds and features spiked traction pads and kicktails on both ends. It's equipped with durable polyurethane wheels, a steel torsion bar, and a rubber-padded carrying handle. At number 4, the GoPro Hero 8 is built to withstand your young man's most extreme adventures, from surfing to snowboarding to skateboarding. It's designed to fit easily into a pocket and has folding fingers at the base that make it easy to swap mounts. The lens is highly impact resistant, and it boasts 14 hands-free voice commands. It's waterproof down to 33 feet. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Manual to Manhood is packed with practical advice for those who are coming of age. While incorporating input from world-class experts, this captivating read instructs on how to wear cologne, grill a steak, tie a tie, manage money, and much more. It comes from a best-selling author and features lots of great illustrations and some humor mixed in. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gifts for teen boys, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker delivers high-quality booming bass, and its rugged waterproof build lets you take it virtually anywhere. It's available in black, grey, camouflage, red, or teal, and several can be paired together for a rich stereo sound. It provides 12 hours of playtime per charge and is both compact and lightweight. It can be placed vertically or horizontally. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the PlayStation 4 Slim can bring your favorite games to life with impressive color and clarity, and offers a 1TB hard drive, a seamless online experience, and a compact lightweight construction. It comes in your choice of jet black, glacier white, silver, or gold. Many special editions are available, and it includes a wireless controller. It can stream Netflix, Hulu, and more. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Gifts for Teen Boys, or simply click beneath this video.